Today we're making hamster pancakes. This is the recipe, guys. Okay, we're going to pour some milk, put it in. That's flour and milk. We put vegetable oil in the pan. I don't think it's only for one hamster, so that's why there's not enough. Well, there's not that much. Now the pan's on the fire. I'm gonna pour it. Need more than one pancake. Pancake, flip them. Oh no, they're sticking.
Oh, but you can't wait for them.
Yeah, a little birthday cake.
Nice.
Sure.
Are you alright to just walk over and put them over?
The pancakes are ready. I'm gonna try one. So we're gonna put in one of these, like the pancakes in one of these. They're not really stacking that well, but it's fine. This is the one I'm going to try. 3, 2, 1. Yummy! We're gonna put some apple on top so it's like butter, because we have no banana. Let's go give them to him. We're gonna set them up here. There's the birthday boy. Let's see if he likes them. Wait. He's eating it, guys. I think he's actually storing it in his cheeks. He's eating the apple. I don't think he likes to. How big his cheek is. So he's eating them because we cut. He likes them. I don't think he likes them that much. Oh, you see your birthday present. Yeah. See if he goes on the bridge. We'll put pancakes. I don't think he really likes the pancakes. Humpy, you reading the note? Let's see the sticks. Let's see him eat it.
No way.
Oh.
No way.
No way. He stored that in his cheek.
Is he?
Well, I think we're just going to put the pancakes in his cage, guys. So I'm just going to rip them up. Okay. Wait, I don't think you should put the wrapper in because he might eat the wrapper. I'm going to put the pancakes in his bowl. Okay. Did he empty it out of his cheek?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, bye, guys.